Want to set or change YouTube Kids content based on your child's age? Here's how. Tap the gear icon to go to Settings. Solve the puzzle. Select the profile for the kid you want to change the content settings. Give parents password. Scroll a bit down into the content settings. The content already selected is based on the age of the kids given during profile creation. To change it, click on Edit Settings. Under Content Settings, choose one of these options. Preschool for ages 4 and under. Younger for ages 5 to 7 years. Older for ages 8 to 12 years. Select one of them and you are done. If you want to change the setting for other kid, you can do it right from here. Just click the kid name. And that's it.